I've made over $300,000 selling digital products, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it wasn't easy. It wasn't some quick AI hack. It took three things: focus, strategy, and real work. And if you're just like me when I was getting started, watching hundreds of YouTube videos where people telling you making money with AI is simple, just use ChatGPT, spin up an agent, and boom, you're rich. That's what I call the AI flop. It's shocking, but the reality is AI is not a replacement for strategy. AI is a tool, a really powerful one. So, how did I actually get here? I spent months creating faceless YouTube channels in random niches, history channels, niche topics. I got traffic, lots of it. But the problem is, people interested in history, they're not interested in digital marketing. They're not interested in making money online. So when I tried to sell them any digital products, nobody bought. The traffic was worthless. And this is when I realized you can have all the traffic in the world, but if it's not the right traffic, it doesn't matter. I needed to build an audience of people who actually wanted to make money, people who were interested in business, people who were interested in learning. This is when I decided to focus on something I actually knew, which is affiliate marketing. I had been one of the top affiliates on Pinterest. I had real results and real experience. So I created my first real digital product around that. It was called Pinterest Affiliate Marketing, the Crash Course. It was a complete guide for people who wanted to make money as an affiliate on Pinterest. I priced it at $100. I launched it on my YouTube channel and I waited. The first week, 2 sales. That's $200. Not exactly what I was hoping for. But here's the thing, it was proof of concept. It meant that people were interested. It meant that idea worked. This proved to me that I had something worth investing in. And this is the moment everything changed for me. I realized I had real product. I had real proof that people would buy it. So now I was ready to invest money into my business. The very next thing that I did is I set up Facebook or Meta ads. And all of a sudden, everything shifted. Every single day I was getting one sale. That's $100 every single day. Consistent, predictable. But people get confused about one important thing. They see $100 a day and they think they're rich. But the real math is totally different. Meta ads was costing me around $60 to acquire each customer. So I'm making $100 in revenue and spending $60 in ad spend. That leaves me with $40 profit per sale. Now, $40 doesn't sound like much, but my fulfillment cost is basically zero. It's a digital product. No logistics, no warehouse, no shipping, no inventory, just pure profit margin. $40 a day times 30 days, that's $1,200 a month from one single digital product and from one ad campaign. But I didn't stop here. In order for me to reach the $300,000, first I created more products and higher tier upgrades to the previous products. You can call these upsells or downsells. Some people wanted to pay more money to get more experience. I also had live one-on-one coaching calls, again required from my customers. But each of these upsells, upgrades, and new products, they were based on something I already knew. Each one was on real experience, each one was built using the same system. Now, I used Canva to create presentations and graphics inside each product. I used Loom to create screen recordings, basically the lessons. I didn't show my face. I didn't need to. The content was what mattered. People were here not to see me, but to learn strategies. AI helped me map out the lesson structure. AI helped me to organize the content. AI helped me to create ad images. It helped me to write the ad copy. It helped me to write the script for the video ads. But I did the thing. I made the decision. I validated the idea. And I did the work. Second, I scaled what worked. Once I had a product that was selling, I increased my ad spend. I tested different audiences. I used Manus AI to refine my messaging and to optimize my conversion rate, because Manus AI is actually a tool from Meta itself. So it connects to your ad account, it sees your stats, and it basically acts as your media buyer, personal media buyer. It gives you advices what to change, what to improve, what to stop. Sometimes it's going to tell you, hey, these ads are not performing, delete them, which is very strange for Facebook to tell you not to spend your money. But it works. I've been using it for months now. Third, I built a system. I didn't just rely on one product. I didn't just rely on one traffic source. I created multiple products. I ran multiple ad campaigns. I also created a bunch of communities, Facebook communities for free, so I could gather with people interested in the same topics. So later, I could tell them that I have a product that can solve some of their problems with Pinterest and affiliate marketing. I diversified my revenue. That's how you get to $300,000. Not overnight, not with some AI hack, but with a real system. Just to be crystal clear about something, this is not get rich quick story. This took time, it took effort, and it took a lot of focus. My first week, I had 2 sales. 2. That's not exciting. It's not viral. That's just proof of concept. But I kept going. I kept testing. I kept optimizing. I kept building. I didn't give up. After a few months, I was making $1,200 a month, then $3,000 a month, then $5,000, and then $10,000. Now I'm consistently making $10K a month from Meta ads alone. And that's just one revenue stream. And it's shocking, but this is what separates people who make $1,000 and people who make $300,000. The people making the 300K are willing to do the work. That's why it's shocking. They're willing to test, they're willing to fail, they're willing to iterate. Willingness is what drives the needle. The people who make money, they understand that AI is a tool, not a replacement for thinking. They understand that you need real expertise. They understand that you need traffic. Nearly half of the people who are watching videos about making money with AI, they think they can skip all of this, all of the work. They think they can just use ChatGPT to create a product and instantly make money. That's the AI flop. The reality is different. The reality is that you need to build a real business. You need to solve a real problem, and you need to have something, and you need to have somewhat real expertise. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to be a pro. You just have to know a little bit more than the person watching the video. If you have that, then AI becomes incredibly powerful. AI helps you move faster, it helps you create better products, and it helps you market more effectively. But unfortunately, without those fundamentals, AI is useless. So here's the framework if you want to build a real digital product business. Step number 1, find something you actually know. Don't create a product in a niche you don't understand. Don't try to fake expertise. Build on something real. Step 2, create your first product. Use AI to accelerate the process, but do the work. Use Canva for graphics, use Loom for recordings, use Claude AI to help you structure and organize. Step 3, validate with free traffic first. Launch on YouTube, on TikTok or Instagram. Get on Facebook groups, get on Discord channels. Provide value first to people in these communities. Share a lot of value, and then try to get your first sale by providing a solution to a specific problem in that specific niche. Prove the concept works before you spend money on ads. Step 4, scale with paid ads. Once you have proof of concept, run meta ads, test different audiences, optimize your conversion rate, scale what works. And with time, you're going to build this feeling of knowing what might work and what might not work, because the data will tell you. The more ads you run, the more digital products you create, the more of that sense you're going to get, because you're going to understand which products flopped, which products didn't, what specific products, specific audiences want to buy. That's it. Step number 5, build a system, create the products, run more campaigns, diversify your revenue. That's it. That's the real method. Nothing special about it. Now, I'm not going to tell you this is easy. It's not. It takes focus, it takes effort, it takes willingness to fail and iterate, like I said. But if you're serious about building a real business, this is the path. This is how I went from 2 sales a week to 1K a month. And if you think 1K a month is nothing, like you've seen people on YouTube making way more than $1,000 a month, than $10,000 a month, people making $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month. In reality, with $10,000 a month, your life is solved. You can go on vacations, you can retire your parents. You don't need to be a millionaire. You just need $10,000 a month. That's it. This is going to solve everything for you. Trust me. I've been there. I thought I need to be a multi-millionaire in order to have freedom. No, 10K is what it takes. So in the next video, I'm going to break down 5 simple business ideas and methods anyone can start using Claude AI. I'm breaking down the entire process step by step so you can start a business as soon as today. Before you click the top and left corner to watch this video, if you're serious about building a real business that makes real money, subscribe to my channel and like this video. And now click the left or the right corner to watch the next video where you're going to see these 5 unique business ideas using Cloud AI.